Mr. Cool. Holy crap, it's cold outside! But not in my igloo thanks to my new DIY ductless mini split from Mr. Cool. It's an air conditioner that doubles as a heat pump in the winter. Talk about killing two birds with one stone, which I've done. When I built this igloo to escape my ex-wife, I was colder than her dead heart. But ever since I installed the new ductless mini split from Mr. Cool, it's a balmy 75 degrees in here. It's nice and warm like one of my late grandfather's bear hugs. Which is also what killed him. Who hugs a bear? Although now that I'm without my wife, I suppose I'd take it. So head on over to MrCoolDIY.com to get one. Oh, look, it's my favorite show. It's called a ductless mini split, and here's how it works. It connects to your wall inside, then pipes outside to a condenser that brings in cool or warm air depending on your preferred temperature. The key word here is ductless, which means it doesn't require any ductwork in your house, just a single line running from the condenser outside to the unit inside. Isn't it amazing? An air conditioner that doubles as a heat pump? That means in the summer you can keep your house chillingly cool, as well as in the winters you can keep your house cozily warm. It's kind of creepy, right? And if you still have the internet, be sure to go to MrCoolDIY.com today to get yours. And Mr. Cool is great because they're everything my ex is not, like trustworthy. They've sold to thousands of people who agree that Mr. Cool DIY is the best option for heating their home. And now I know what you're thinking, a heating system called Mr. Cool? That's like saying that a solid could also be a liquid, which is, See, I told you it works. It's got some spice in it for some reason. Fortunately, the device is so smart that you can connect directly to your phone so that you can control the temperature easily. I mean, it's really an unbelievable investment if you think about it because you'll be able to use it year-round. And it comes with very affordable financing options. Not to mention it's wonderfully quiet, unlike those obnoxious owls. So if you're tired of being cold and would rather be warm this winter, then head on over to MrCoolDIY.com and order yourself a ductless mini split from Mr. Cool. It's cool.